Hey guys, welcome to another Zippo review. I got this Zippo for free. Yep, pretty funny. As you can see, it's from Florida. Florida Beach Sports or whatever. So it's from Florida. I live in Toronto, Canada, which is in Ontario. So yeah. So let's check it out. So Florida Beach Sports. And as you can see, well, I got it because my mom's boss, where she works, like the boss, went to Florida, and he knows I like Zippos, so he got me this. Alright, so let's open it up, check the date, and everything. And I also don't like that he took the sticker out. I know it's a gift, and, like, you know, he take the stickers, prices off gifts. But yeah. Alright, so let's do this. So there's that. Alright, so here's a sticker. Zippo. So let's check when it was made. It was made in 13 of F. 2013 of F. So yeah. I don't know. Yeah, alright. So let's take the sticker out. So, I got it out of the case, and we'll check the date on this, and it is E of 13. So yeah. There's a Zippo. Obviously no lighter fluid in it. If you hear that noise in the background, like banging, that's my dad on the roof. He's changing the shingles on the roof. So yeah, don't mind that noise. So yeah, here's Zippo. Let's put it back in the case. It's like that. Like that. And yeah, this is the Zippo I got. So yeah, I'll put the sticker back on. If I could get it out of here. Put it back on. Like that. Alright. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I know I haven't made a lot of videos in a while. It's just I can't really afford Zippos, so yep. So thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.